Good morning, everybody. How are you? Okay, so back to DIY kitchen. But before that, I just made my own pumpkin spice coffee. I made 10 cups, so I used a half a cup of coffee and a tablespoon of the pumpkin spice and then the sweet cream. So it's delish. All right, so Backsplash on a budget. Okay, these things are all from the dollar store, $1.25. These I ordered because they didn't have them in my store, so I ordered them online. But there's a problem with these. Like other people recommended, you need another adhesive, so that was fine, which we got, and we started over here. And they look fine, but if you touch them, like, at all, they, the white comes right off. It's not doing it right here, but I already took down 2, just from, like, touching it. But, I mean, it does look good from a distance. But you see, I stopped because I'm like, I don't know. That's not going to really hold up. But it does look pretty decent. But the next idea is to use these that I found yesterday down there. And although it's not like a traditional backsplash look, because it's so bland in here with the off-white and black, I'm almost thinking I can get away with it. And what other people did was they take like a frame too, and they put one in it and make like a corresponding piece of art, like, and then they put a picture in the middle of it of some sort. I would have to show you. It kind of sounds like a mess. It seems like it'd be too busy, but it's really not. Like they put like a welcome or whatever. I'm trying to get away from those signs. Like I have one here, thankful, but oh, and I got a curtain. Curtains up. That's pretty much all, except I did some little decorating, and I did clean out the dining room for the most part. Don't mind the hat, my daughter must have. There's still one bin over there, but I donated everything. And I got me some yarn. I'm gonna try this time of year. Motivates me for crafts. But anyways, so I think what I'm gonna do, and I will show you progress, is get rid of this one and go on with this. I only spent $12. I got 12 of these. And we'll see how it turns out. So come back for part 2 later today or this weekend. All right. Bye now.